where you don't get in other projects. So we have Mogotio Road and we have Crescent Road connecting Ojiji Road on MP Shark side. Yeah, we have another gate on the other side. Yeah. So on this side is facing this side of Mogotio Road, and then we have Block B, which is facing the side of Sarit Center and Brookside. The other side is facing Parkland side and Karuna Forest. Yes. So on this side we have the 2-bedroom and the 1-bedroom. On Block B we have the studio unit. We have 3-bedroom, we have 2-bedroom, and we have a 1-bed. On the other side we have a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom. On the other side is Karuna Forest. Yes. And then where we are standing is still a basement. We have 4 levels of property. So we have 3 basements, and we have 2 basements underneath us. We have this basement, we have a ground floor, and then we have a main garden where all the amenities are going to be. Yes. So for the amenities, we're going to have a kids swimming pool, we're going to have a kids playing area, a mini market, a mini coffee bar area. We're also going to have a mini golf bar area, a gaming room, a reception as well, a heated swimming pool, fully equipped gym, a library as well.
What about co-working space?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have our heated swimming pool here with a walking terrace or walking terrace. Yes. And then on this other side we have a library. Over here we have a kids playing area. We have a really good gym, a mini coffee bar area. On the back side we have a gym. Yes. So on this side, on the inner side, we have the biggest 2-bedroom. We have the 2-bedroom and the 1-bedroom as well. 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, and the studio. Yes. And then on the roof, top we're gonna have a jogging track and a chill spot. So you can go and chill there with your friends. Yeah.
So those would be the biggest 2 bedrooms?
Yeah, these ones are the biggest 2 bedrooms.
So you don't go to 2, you don't go 3?
We have a 3-bed as well. Yeah, but the 3-bedroom doesn't face the inner side of the pool. You have the views of the outside.
How much square meters is it 3-bedroom?
It's 158 square meters. It's starting from 20.4 million.
What's the highest one available?
We have maybe a chip you can confirm on the charts.
And 2 bedrooms?
The 2-bedroom is starting from 12 million. We have a 1-bedroom which is starting from 8 million. We have a studio unit which is starting from 6 million. But right now we have an offer. For the studio unit we are going to give you at 5.5 million starting price. And then we have a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and a 3-bedroom. We're going to give a good discount from maybe 800 to 500 depending to 1 million. Yes, because we have an advance. Yes.
Showrooms again?
Yeah, we have a showroom for the studio unit. Here is the layout. We have the showers ready for this one and this one.
So for 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom?
Yeah, so this is the studio unit. You get in. You have a sink area, your washing machine. You get this water closet. Here, this is your washroom. You have a study area, kitchen comes fully fitted, stitching area. You have a bed space and the bathroom. Then you have this one, entering, you have a show rack. We're gonna provide this cabinet space, it's gonna come with the house. We're gonna get the TV panel as well, an extended balcony all the way from the bedroom to the living area. We've got a fully fitted kitchen, and you have this kitchen area and water closet over here. This one has only one balcony on the living area. Yeah. Yes. And this one is the most biggest and the most spacious one there. The show house is not ready yet for this.
And those are how much?
This one is starting from 9 million. Yes. Then we have this one, 8.3. We have this one, 8 million. We have studio unit, 5.5 million. Yes.
You don't have anything available for the 3-bedroom and 2-bedroom yet?
Yeah, we have. We have only for the 2-bedroom, the 3-bedroom yet we don't have. Yeah. Here. This one is 160 square meters for the 2-bedroom with a DSQ. This is your servant quarter, your main entrance, your kitchen, open plan kitchen, your living space, common washroom, the guest bedroom, extended balcony all the way from the guest bedroom to the living the master bedroom. The master bedroom doesn't have a balcony, but you get a floor to ceiling window. You don't have to worry about natural lighting, and the master bedroom is as well. Yes. And then we have this one, 96.6 square meters. This one has only one balcony on the living area. The biggest bedroom is not a suite, but it shares a common washroom with the living area. So the master bedroom is the one that is a suite. And this is your main entrance, fully fitted kitchen comes. It's an open plan kitchen. And then you have your living area, you have a bathroom area. And then we have this one. This one is like the biggest. This one is 134 square meters. Has an extended balcony all through. So you can access from the bedroom and the bedroom. This one has a pantry. This is your main entrance. A common washroom. This is the guest bedroom, which is en suite. The master bedroom, which is en suite as well.
This one has a DSQ, right?
This one doesn't have a DSQ, but has a pantry.
Family with our Mogotio Oasis at the 1-bedroom this. Very spacious and nice. You know what I mean? Balcony come all the way down. As you can see, I work this a one. Work a one. Finish it.
Everything actually apart from the washing machine and the television and the refrigerator. But when you buy, I can give you maybe one of your.
You have the piece finish.
Yeah, these are all plywood. That's our wallpaper.
So we done. Champy, fall in love with Dawa. Just come from Tanzania. The first thing the man come over the plane, the man say, yo, I want a Dawa right now because I don't feel good. Dawa mean medicine and Swahili family. So, we'll show you how the country, promote health.
I'm like a sugar dick. From food, you know, me I think for this.
Eh?
Can't wait for reach back over here. Come over to Tanzania, I'll come and get sick from the food.
Eh? You're the man's family. So.
And 2 days now, me I hunt this over Tanzania and can't get it.
So that's all the things that family. I Kenya the thing there, and I Kenya the thing I stay.
Right, and I'm going to thief this and bring it back to Jamaica and America.
I'm an easy man. Honey, ginger and lime.
Yeah.
And I mean,
hot.
and a rhyme, but a honey, ginger and lime. Yeah.